All right, Lee, of course, headed up into the northeast with likely Atlantic Canada landfall on early weekend. But we are feeling the swells already on the Treasure Coast, and some of those. I was at Jupiter earlier, and really didn't see much of a swell there, but they'll continue to work south. We're looking at wave heights tomorrow on the Treasure Coast approaching, 7 to 9 feet at times, and it'll just continue to climb as we get into Saturday. And some of that works a little farther south into West Palm potentially, or Palm Beach, and then it starts to fade off as we get into the late weekend or early next week. But there is, of course, a high surf advisory in effect. That is for the Treasure Coast, and a small craft advisory. So be very careful going out the inlets, even in Palm Beach County, northern Palm Beach County in particular. There's a look at the rain and the radar, and there's not much out there. We have a couple of showers that have been popping up around the Turnpike on the Treasure Coast and eastern side of the lake, but this is a whole different story from yesterday when we had big rains working south and a couple of very strong storms. We may hear a rumble of thunder, but at this point, it looks pretty quiet, and overall, it is expected just to be a few downpours and an isolated storm. We do have lots of activity in the tropics, Lee, Margot, and Invest 97, which could become Tropical Storm Nigel by the weekend. Lee, hundreds of miles up the coastline, roughly 800, and moving north. There's Bermuda there, getting the outer feeder bands from the storm. It's taking on more of a comma-shaped cloud pattern, an indication that it's transitioning to what we call a post-tropical storm with a fall-like storm with warm fronts and cold fronts, and warm core storms are tropical storms and hurricanes. So it's a whole different beast, but it is expected to have a big impact in the northeast, perhaps even Boston and up through coastal Maine with a very big swell and a storm surge. Computer model tracks in good agreement bringing in into either New Brunswick or Nova Scotia. That happens later Saturday, and for us, a pretty quiet weather pattern. So we go from Lee way out there to Margot, and Margot does just a bizarre loop, almost a 720 in the middle of the Atlantic, and from no threat to land. And then we have Invest 97, which appears to be a mess, but there is a low-level circulation developing. The good news with that one, it is expected to turn well east and then north of our area. Small craft advisory, high surf advisory for the Treasure Coast sees 5 to 7 tomorrow, 2 to 4 in Palm Beach County with a 3-foot swell. So it is starting to get bumpy. Tomorrow we're looking at 91, a few showers and storms in the afternoon, but nothing significant, and more scattered showers and storms, a little bit more widespread on the weekend.